In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in Taobao. If you shop on Taobao and want prices, recommendations, and shipping options tailored to where you are, updating your country setting takes just a moment and makes the site much easier to use. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Taobao website. You can go to world.taobao.com or simply taobao.com. If you already have an account, it's a good idea to sign in first. Logging in isn't required for this change, but it helps your region settings stick across pages and future visits, especially if you switch devices. Once you're on Taobao, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. You're looking for the footer, which is the bottom menu that runs across the site. This works from the home page or almost any page you're browsing, so you don't need to navigate anywhere special. Just reach the bottom. In the footer, find the country or region selector. It may appear as country, region in English or Diku Guojia in Chinese. You'll also see your current region displayed next to it. Common examples include Philippines, PH, Malaysia, MI, China, CN, or United States, US. Click that country or region label to open the selection panel. A pop-up or drop-down menu will appear with a list of countries. Browse through and choose the one you want to switch to. For example, you might pick Philippines, Singapore, United States, China, mainland, or Australia. Simply click the new country you prefer. If you don't immediately see it, scroll within the list until it appears. Depending on the version of the site you're using, you may be asked to confirm your choice. If you see a button that says Save or Confirm, often shown as Baotun or Kuiren, click it to apply the change. On other versions, the site updates automatically as soon as you select the country. Either way, the page will refresh to load your new settings. After the refresh, you'll notice updated region settings, a currency that matches your selection, recommendations tailored to your new location, and, where supported, shipping options relevant to that region. If the change doesn't appear right away, scroll back down to the footer to make sure the new country is shown, or give the page another moment to reload. That's all you need to do. Open Taobao, head to the bottom of the page, open the country selector, pick your new country, and save if prompted. Thanks for watching and enjoy a smoother Taobao experience tailored to your location.